1st of May. Happy New Month. You're probably going to see it like months later, but yeah, Happy New Month, and it is the month of deliverance. Yay! Anyway, so the plan was I was supposed to wake up and do my hair, but something has come up. I need to go to game because of this reason, right? So I'm going to take you guys with. I'll quickly go to game and then I'll come back and I'll attend to my hair. But I really have to go to game because today is a holiday. It's Workers' Day and shops close early, and the special ends today, so I cannot afford not to buy this thing because I really want it. It's something that I've been wanting for some time. It will really aid me in my DIYs, and you know, this girl and tools. Yeah. So guys, come along.
No problem. I drop you in the stop there.
Sorry, sir. Is there a way that we can stop at the ATM? Yeah, F&B or breakfast.
F&B or...
Morning.
If you stop to F&B or we do, you have to pay 100 Namibian dollars.
They just decrease me here. Yeah, I think I can get here.
Yeah, you don't think you get it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
So much.
All right, bye.
Morning. How are you? I'm looking for the jigsaw that's on special. Jigsaw. Yeah. The tool that you use to cut planes and all those things. I haven't been here in a long time. I can see the order has changed. It's actually very different. Yes, it should be here. Sorry? The one that is on special, I think it's here. Should be amongst these things. No, not for trees, planks and all those things. There's another one that side. Whoops. $99. Interesting. Guys, so at this point my bubble is about to be popped. I got here, it seems they're out of stock of jigsaws, but I've been asked to come to customer service and just find out. Maybe they might see something on the system. Hopefully they do have some in the game in Grove. I'll probably have to go there. I'm just hoping there's something in their storage or something, because guys, I really want this jigsaw, guys. Yo, I should have come here earlier. I really should have come here earlier. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. Guys, so unfortunately they're out of stock. The jigsaws are finished. Unfortunately for me. I'm so sad, guys. So the only other jigsaw that is available is going for 700, but that is a bit off my budget. Okay, guys, so I'm going to have a quick haul of the things that I bought. Yeah, initially I thought I wasn't going to, but I think I have to. So I ended up going to Ackerman's, Pep, Checkers, Discam, and these are the things that I bought. Oh, and Spa. I also went to Spa. So these are the things I bought. I bought 6 packs of spinach, some onions, mince, 4 packs of beef liver. But for some reason the stuff is dripping, so I'm just going to put it in here. Ew. Oh my goodness. So I got 4 packs of beef liver. Those are all the things that I got from Spar. And then from Checkers I got a pack of meat mix, cyanide liquid and vinegar, lemon juice, grape juice, 4 kgs chicken, tins of tomatoes, chili beef cubes, soup, 10 kg milk, 3 kg washing powder. I got a box of tissue. This I got from Spa. Baking soda. I use it to wash my fruits. A refill of the hand wash. I ran out. Wipes. Honey. Shower gel. This candle I got from Pep. Can't wait to light it. It's actually a scented candle. I got myself a bit of winter things. Got myself a hoodie. This was from Mr. Price. I also got myself some jogger pants and some stretch pants. These I got from Ackermans. I've been looking for something comfortable to wear, especially during region. Yeah, so these are the ones I got. And I also got myself this box. I know they're a bit childish, but yeah, kind of liked the vibe. So yeah, I got myself this box as well. So guys, these are all my purchases. Oh my goodness, I forgot one more thing. I'll be back just now. I also got myself this pair of earrings. Ooh, can't wait to wear them. Guys, so this is my haul. Thank you for watching. Hi guys, so I'm back. Not happy at all. I am not happy. I am in pain. I really wanted to buy this jigsaw. I had a lot of plans for it, but hopefully I'll find it again on special, maybe on Black Friday or something. So yeah, hopefully I'll find it, or maybe somewhere, and then I'll buy it. So anyway, this marks the end of this vlog, and thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, click on the notification button, and I'll see you in my next video.